Hello guys, kamusta kayo? For today's video, share ko sa inyo kung paano ma-achieve ang ganitong kulay from brassy to ash gray hair color no, with highlights. So, first muna, check natin yung problem. So, sa hair natin kukulayan, meron siyang previous color, level 7, and then meron siyang level 6 sa mid area, and then meron siyang virgin hair with 40% white hair. So, first nating i-address guys pag ganito is yung root area, no? So, magmi-mix tayo ng 600 yung natural, level 6, and then 612. Ito yung ash blue. Kasi yung mid area guys is level 6. So, yun ang ating susundan kasi color cannot be lightened by color. So, first application natin, kinover natin yung white and then nilip natin siya to level 6. Gamit natin dito 9% oxidizing lotion. Kasi guys, color cannot be lightened by color, no? So, ang ating target dito is level 6, yung pinaka mid area niya, nakikita yung medyo reddish brown. So, after map yan guys, leave lang natin ng 15 minutes. And then, magtitimpla naman tayo para sa ends, mid to ends. So, titimpla tayo ulit ng level 6. Same, no? Ash blue. And then, mimix din natin ng full blue ash. Yan guys. Para magtutone down and then ma-lesen yung pagiging coppers niya. So, dahil level 6 ang ating target guys, so mostly ang ating tinitimpla is level 6 and then i-neutralize din natin pagiging copper. So, makikita nyo, after 10 minutes dyan, pagbabad, wash na. And then, ito yung magiging effect niya. So, na-neutralize na yung pagiging orange niya guys. Yan na yung full color and then na-cover na natin yung white hair. So, after nyan guys, nag-highlights tayo. Gamit natin is bleaching powder using 6% oxidizing lotion. So, ang target natin dito is mapapayelo, no? 6% oxidizing lotion lang gamit natin kasi wala na tong warm halos kasi kinancel na natin yung pagiging copper and then nasa level 6 siya, cancel yung copper kaya mas mabilis na lang siyang maglilip hanggang level 9. So, after yung ma-highlights pa ganito guys, lagi siyang i-check every 10 to 15 minutes para hindi ma-over process yung hair at hindi masira. So after nyan ma-check guys, pag makita ng yellow na talaga siya, wawash na natin dyan, saka pa lang tayo magpapatong ng final color na ating gustong ma-achieve. So yan guys, yung final check natin, almost 9 na siya. Nag-add pa tayo ng 10 minutes and then saka natin winash. And then magpapatong tayo guys, gamit naman natin ang level 9 na ash, no, yung reflect, and then gagamit tayo ng level 9 din na gray pearl, and then magpapatak tayo ng level 9 din na blue, yung sapphire. After babad ng 10 minutes guys, ito na yung magiging result, ito yung final result niya. So achieve natin yung level 9 na ash gray, no. So sana meron kayo natutunan. See you, bye.